If you're new or just getting started to using Facebook ads, wouldn't it be great if you could see what competitors, similar companies are doing in that space? Well, now that Facebook have added the Info and Ads tab to Facebook pages, you can do exactly that. I'll show you how. As part of their ongoing efforts to become more transparent for the users, Facebook announced that they would introduce a way to show all the adverts being run on any given Facebook page. They've added a simple tab to each page called Info and Ads. And as you can see here, I'm on a Just Giving page. So if you're a charity organisation in the UK, this would definitely be the kind of example you'd be looking at. What are they running? What are they doing? Just to give you an idea of what kind of ads you could run. And simply you go to the page and then you click here on the left hand side on Info and Ads. It's that easy. Notice it says these are the ads currently running. If you scroll down, some may not apply to you. So these are ads that are running in my location in the UK, so that's fine. And this is how they would appear in the news feed. But you can see it's all greyed out here at the bottom, like, comments, share. So you can't see the actual ad there. You can also see any related pages. View the ads. So there's the US version there, and there's another one there. If I give you another example, in the social media space, if I search for Social Media Examiner, they currently have Social Media Marketing World coming up, so I'm aware they'll be running adverts. If I click on Info and Ads, you notice it says there aren't any ads in your location, but I can select from countries. I can go to US, and here, let's scroll down, you can see a number of different ads. I always like the Social Media Examiner format. They often have, question at the start and then the information. So there are definitely things you can learn from what others do. If you wanted to see, clicking on the details, you can only have the option to report the ads. But if you go through to their actual posts, you'll probably find the same advert in there somewhere. You can usually tell by the amount of engagement the posts have had, etc. And you might want to interact with it anyway. And then you might be fed more of that sort of content by Facebook going forwards. So there's lots of possibilities here to explore. Check it out for any page where you think there's a commonality with what you do. It might be exactly in your sector, in your industry, or it just might be that you want to see the types of ads that are working well. Often, like with this one, video content seems to show up more and more. And you get a feel for what really gets more engagement, lots of comments, lots of shares, etc. So I hope that's been helpful. Do check out my free social media training group here on Facebook. Just search for free social media training, all one word, and ask to join, and you'll get access to all of the latest videos, including live videos, weekly basis, and any resources and guides that I have available, all absolutely free of charge. So that's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, a social media personal trainer. Cheers.